But today I just decided that, I should burn this candle instead of keep on burning my P&L. Happy Monday, everyone. So after 6 or 7 years of trading, I still feel that same old sense of FOMO tingling on my fingers every single Monday. Mondays historically, usually that's my Monday and Fridays are usually my worst days. And because Monday, obviously after 2 days of break on Saturday and Sunday, I'm just dying to click some buttons to buy or short some stocks. And I'm definitely aware of that myself. So I definitely made some pretty stupid mistakes today, given that it's a Monday. No excuses, I own up to it. But now I'm looking at my P&L, I'm just like, man, like that burned a lot of my P&L. So let's take a look at what the damage is here. So the first trade, and is still my best trade on the day, is MRNA. So this stock, I swear, I've been like dying and waiting to short the stock since $70. And today we gapped up all the way to 105s, pre-market highs. I'm not trying to pick the tops. I don't know how high it could go. It could go, above 100, could go to 105, 107, 110s. Who knows? I'm not in the business of trying to like add on the top here. I waited for it to, fail. I started scaling in small pre-market size. First entry was about 103, just small, just like, 1/10 of the size just to see how it goes. And I kind of left it alone until here it seems, again, very weak, right? You can see it dropped from 103 all the way to 100 and bounced a little bit, but failed that bounce. Added some more, and that's my pre-market size right there. At the open, it just dumped, broke down the $100 psychological mark. And once below that $100, then, at the open, you can see this kind of selling volume. Very weak. That's why I went in short with full size. Full size short, $99.40. Covered some into $97, so that's very decent profit. And I like it when these kind of setups work out right away, whether it's long or short. You can call it scalps all you want, but this is like, a $2 a share move within the first 1 minute of the open. So, to keep on dumping down to 96. So I was all out most of it. $96, very nice short, all the way from pretty much $99. On this bounce, I added some more, 97, 80s. I re-added some more around 99s. Now, this is a point where it actually broke and touched $100 for a sec. If I'm adding back here, I want to be careful. If I'm wrong, I want to take it off right away. So that's why I took it off. And after that $100, again, psychological key level, breaks down, rejects again. You can see we touched 100, never held it. I went back in and added some more, covered some, re-added. And we got some very nice follow through to a new low, which is around 96. Over here, 95s, and we even got to $93.60. That's still the best trade on the day for me. And, in hindsight, if I just left it alone, I could have just, walked off and be done for the day. But no, it's Monday. The FOMO is still in my blood. I can't help it. But at least I know that I have a tendency to give back profits. So when I start doing it, I catch myself nowadays. I'm not a perfect trader. I still slip into these bad habits of giving back profits once a while, and typically on Mondays and Fridays. I'm not a perfect trader. I'm human after all. I'm not a robot. Well, some people will beg differ and say,
I have no feelings, I don't reply the calls or the texts, I have no emotions.
And all the other good stuff. But doesn't matter, they're not here. Anyways, so I just slowly gave back profits, as you can see. Nicely short. No, I did give back some here. I re-entered small. When re-enter at these levels, where I know that I might start giving back profits, I go in smaller. So I did give back some over here, but after that I just cut it completely, didn't go back in. So we'll see if this sets up for an afternoon trade for me. But I'm all out on MRNA. It's still the best trade on the day, but unfortunately, I make one good trade, and there has to be another one that shows up and kind of ruin the day. Didn't ruin the day, but I just gave back a lot of profit because of this trade. And that is CBAT. So let me tell you exactly what happened on CBAT. It was actually on the side watch for me because I wanted to focus on MRNA. That's the main watch. So I did have some, decent trades on this. For me, these are just scalps, right? I was never full size on these things. 840 shorted a little bit down to 740s. Nice $1 a share. I added some more. Didn't work. I cut it. So I should have really just left it alone. You can see after this low spike held some 750s level, just started grinding back up. So I never got into really big size, so I was never in trouble, but I slowly gave back a lot of my profits on the day. It was really stupid. I'm human after all. But it's still very frustrating. And I slowly gave it back. Even on small size paper cuts, it's still not ideal, right? Shorted some, cover some small profits, nice. And then here I got, chopped up again, gave back some. I re-entered some small short, I gave back some. This is the only good trade out of the CBAT. 1050s and $10 1050s. Shorted down to, 960s and some more here. And I left it alone. So CBAT definitely could have done better. I still ended the trade green with a whopping $39 of profit on CBAT. Actually, this trade is gonna be red. If you're counting locates and everything, this trade on CBAT is gonna be red. And this is the rest of it, if you were curious. But I gave back a lot on CBAT. That's the thing. Over half of the day's profit. So not fun. So anyway, some good trades and some bad trades. And in case if you were wondering why I'm burning a candle, I'm usually not a candle person, but today I just decided that, I should burn this candle instead of keep on burning my P&L. So enough of bad jokes and bad trades. Let's talk about some Q&As, shall we? So first question from Alan in. Hi, Humble Trader. I'm wondering what the trading fee is proportion to your trade, because trading cost is one of the biggest enemies in day trading, short term or long term. So I think as a big new trader, if you have a smaller account, I felt like this in the beginning too. Like it feels like, my account is so small, I'm just burning through commissions. But honestly, I think that's just the cost of doing business. Nowadays, people feel like, oh, you're entitled to free commission trading. But free commission trading is not actually free. You're paying for it in other ways, in fills, in execution speed, in your order flows. So take the trading cost as just a means of doing business, right? Like today, you saw my P&L earlier. My cost of trading fees today in total would be around, I think $90, just under $90. So if you add the locates, I think I spent about, 500. No, actually a little bit less. I didn't locate that much today. I spent around another $200 on locate. So my cost of doing business is around 280 to be concise. And then you saw my P&L earlier, so that's about, I guess, 10%, a little bit less than 10% on the day. Now, for some people, they'll complain and say that's too much. But to me, that's a very fair business cost, right? That's just the way it is. If you want to make money, you gotta spend money. There's no such thing of free business. So I think it's just the cost of doing business. And if you're at the stage where you have a small account and you're just churning through commissions, I think that's fine. That's just the cost of tuition and for you to learn how to day trade. You don't want to be saving pennies in your trading fees and losing in dollars with a P&L later on. So that's just my thoughts on it. I think you need to spend money to make money. So second question is from Glenn. Hi, Humble Trader. I have questions for you. I work full-time on East Coast, work a 9-to-5 job. How can you trade? Or do you recommend any good swing trades? So I think for the East Coast people, the hours are definitely gonna be tough. So I was able to trade part-time on the West Coast because I can trade before going to work at night. So on the East Coast, unfortunately, I don't really have an answer for you in terms of day trading. If you guys have any recommendations for the East Coast people who want to trade part-time, leave them in the comment section below. So for the people who are working full-time and cannot day trade, I think swing trading is a good alternative, just something light on the side, something that won't take up too much of your time. So, you could look to swing overnight and swing for a few days or a few weeks. We actually have a swing trading channel on our Discord trading community. So that's part of the package and part of what you get with your subscription. We provide the fundamental analysis and research, as well as the potential entry, exit, and risk level. So check it out if you're interested for some swing trading on the side. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and the bad jokes. If you want to see more day trading content, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more. If you'd like to trade with me daily and get my free weekend watch list and trading journal, make sure to check out the links below for more resources. Stay green, stay positive, and I'll see you guys next time.